In this video, we will have a look at the individual taxes per country. Especially with regards to the new OSS guidelines of the EU, it is very important to be able to indicate your taxes per country. This is the only way to guarantee that you can offer your products in a tax compliant manner in other EU countries. So let's go to our tax settings. Go into Settings, Shop, Tax. Now you can see your three default tax rates. You have the standard rate, the reduced rate, and the super reduced rate. The standard rate is always the main tax rate which you use for your online shop, for the products you sell into the main country which you sell your products in. Shopware needs a standard tax rate because the system doesn't know where the customer who is currently in your shop comes from. Only when the customer goes to the checkout and enters the country of delivery, the tax rate for the country of delivery will be evaluated and changed. So let's have a look how we can edit a tax rate for an individual country. For this, we just click on standard rate, and we can now see a list with nearly every country and an already existing standard tax rate. To edit a tax rate, you just click on the context menu on the right and click on edit. So here you've got the possibility to change the country name, but this is not relevant. You can change the tax rate down here, and you can say that the new tax rate should apply to the postal code, to a postal code area, to an individual state of the country, or for the entire country. We will leave this with the entire country and set this rate to 30 so that we can see what we have edited in the storefront in a minute. So click on Save. So now you see the 30% here, and click on Save up here again. I can also see that the price of the product stays the same, even though I've just changed the delivery country. So if I now want the customer from Denmark, for example, to pay more because the tax rate is higher, I can do this over the advanced pricings.